Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to tell you how we can create animations with the help of a software Scratch. So you can see in this video, for this particular video I have used Scratch 1.4 for my Windows. But if you are making an animation with the help of your mobile, then different application of Scratch you need to install from Google Play or from some online store, because that Scratch is different from what we use in our PCs or laptops. So for this particular video, I have used Scratch 1.4, and for mobile applications, I will upload one another video where you can use that application which has been built for mobile. So for this particular, I am working on this Scratch 1.4. So when you have downloaded Scratch 1.4 for your Windows, then and after that, when you open this application on your laptop or on your system, then you will find this view. Here by default, this little kitty is already there. It is always on the screen whenever you open your Scratch. So first thing is always to create a new file and then save it, because in the event of like for example you are doing something, and in the event light failure or power failure, something happens, and all the work would be get lost. So now you can see this little sprite, so you can delete it from here, and you can call any new sprite as per your interest. For example, you can open this folder. This is a folder one, and when you open this, then you will see that there are many costumes. So because we are making animations, then we need to select some costumes in sequence. So animals, fantasy, letters, people, things, transportation. Let's say if I select fantasy, then you can see there are too many creatures here. And if I select people, let me select people. So you can see these are the sprites which are already there in the folder. So now which one should I select so that I can show you the animations properly? Okay, let's select this ballerina. Ballerina has, you can see there are four different sprites, so we can show the animations in more suitably. So now select ballerina A. So you can see the costume is added. So now select one more for animations. Again, go to ballerina, select B. Now this time B, and another third time I will select C, and then B. In this way, I have selected four different costumes. So now our costumes are ready. Now I want to give some animation to it. Now select the script folder. These are the controls that you can see on the top left panel. So motion control, look, sensing, sound, operators, pen and variables. So now I will click on control, because I have to give some control and functions to the uh, costumes. So see, this is the green flag. This means this. When you are testing your application, then how will you do this? You need to click, like for example, if I click on this, then nothing is happening. So what I will do, I will bring it here in this section, and that means when this green flag is clicked, then what do I want to do? I want to change the animations. I want to move this animation from here, so that I can create animations. So what I will do, these animations costumes comes inside looks. So when I click on this, then first thing that I will select from control, forever, because I want something that should happen forever. So when I click on this flag, then something should happen forever. And what should it happen? I will go here. I will want my costume to be changed every time whenever I click on green flag. So like for example, see, it's changing, but it's changing too frequently. So let's stop here. So next costume, now I will add some delay here so that it doesn't change so frequently. For that, again go to control and select wait 1 second. So 1 second is by default, but you can change as per your requirement. For example, 1 second delay will show it like this, 1 second, one. So this is the animation that has been created with the help of this costume, ballerina. So you can see the animation, and if you want to move it little bit slower, so select 2 from here, then now you will see the difference. See, the animation is still happening, but it is happening with a delay of 2 seconds. So in this way, we can control the animation, we can control the time with which the animation is moving, we can change the costumes. So this tutorial, I think you will find it more informative and knowledgeable. So see, it will keep on going like this. So hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like all our videos, comment, share, and please give love to our channel as much as possible. Thank you.